Hey, what's up guys? So are you looking for a beautiful 3-story townhome here in Inspirada that is move-in ready? Well, in this video, I'm going to be touring this move-in ready townhouse, so stay tuned. All right guys, so welcome to this move-in ready home. So today we're here at Highview by Pointe here in Inspirada. So beautiful community, you guys. If you're unfamiliar with Inspirada, a master plan community like located south of Las Vegas, kind of close to like M Hotel Casino. Okay, you have beautiful like parks, you have pools out here. Okay, so really nice area. I'll show you guys around the neighborhood real quick. Okay. In this video, we are going to be touring this move-in ready home. Now, this is going to be a Plan 6. So the Plan 6 is 2,042 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 stories, and out the door, you're looking at $519,470. Everything is ready completed. It is move-in ready. So if you're looking to get into something fairly soon, well, this is definitely an option right here. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so you got your entry door here. Also, 2-car garage. Okay. It's got your electric panel box right there. Rain camera. Okay, so welcome in. The way the floor plan is set up is you're gonna have your kitchen, dining room over here. Okay, living room. The middle floor, you're gonna have your bedrooms, and the third floor, you're gonna have this nice like little loft area that has a balcony. Okay, so high ceilings immediately when you walk in, like right over here. You're gonna notice you're going to have the 9-foot ceilings. Okay. So right over here, you're gonna have your garage. Okay. Water softener lube, tankless water heater. Okay, looks like you also have some storage space right here. All right guys, so welcome to the kitchen area. So you have your kitchen. This is going to be your dining room. This is where you have your TV, and then you have your dining table right over there. Okay. Now, as you can see, we already got the refrigerator in here. Okay. Beautiful cabinets. I noticed that Browns are tri-point, and they're coming out with the Browns. So looks like, I mean, you tell me, let me know what you think in the comments below. But it looks like the earth tones are coming back. Okay. So right over here, we do have like a double oven. So you got the GE appliance package. Okay. So nice. You're going to have the white sink right here. Okay. So that's definitely an upgrade. Here's take a look where this vents. Okay. So it does vent out. We also have your GE dishwasher. And then this is gonna be your pantry. Got some cabinets up top. Got your nice refrigerator. That's great. You don't have to buy one of these. Nobody wants to buy a refrigerator when they move into a new built home. Most times you need that money to buy like furniture, appliances, other appliances. Okay. So again, this is a townhouse community, you guys. So the thing about this townhouse community is you do have a little backyard for, you know, if you do have pets. And look, it's also landscaped as well. Okay, not that many builders actually landscape their backyards. Okay. All right. So also looks like we have the thermostat right over here. You can control the first floor temperature. Okay, over here, this is your TV setup. You have your Smurf tube, so you could connect your TV here, hide all the wires. Wires would come down through here. Okay, so you'll have your powder room in this corner. Okay, so it looks like they have like that white quartz countertop, black fixtures. Got your toilet right there. And then we got some storage space right in here. Okay. So let's check out upstairs. So when you look to the left, you're gonna have your primary bedroom and your laundry room. And then right over here, you're going to have your full bath, your 2 bedrooms, as well as the stairs that go up to that loft on the 3rd floor, okay, with the balcony. So here, let's go ahead and check out primary bedroom. Okay, so very spacious. Looks like we got the pre-wire for the ceiling fan right there. So this is what you see, nice little view. Okay, so looks like we do have a transfer grill. That helps regulate the airflow. So it doesn't get too hot or cold in one room, but also so it prevents, doors from shutting if wind gets inside. So you got the shower tub combo, fiberglass, black fixtures. Okay. So you also got the brown cabinets. You can have your toilet room. And this is going to be your primary closet. All right, guys. So just another reminder as well, like if you're thinking about going to a new build community, if you're very curious and you want to visit for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. I'd be honored to help you out through this process. But if you're working with a realtor, make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You just want to make sure someone's with you when you go to this the new build office, because if you don't show up with a realtor and you go by yourself, and the builder agent will ask you for your name, your phone number, your email. Once they have that information, they won't let you be represented down the road. And the builder agents, they look after the builder's best interest, not your best interest. So it's very important to get representation. Okay, so this is going to be the laundry room. Conveniently located right next to the primary bedroom. Okay, so you have the smart panel boxes as well. So this is where you'd have, you connect your modem and your router. Okay, so we got some space for your linens. We got more space right here. Fold some clothes. Okay. Okay, again, we got the 2 bedrooms. Now this is going to be the full bath. It's what they use for all the restrooms. They use the quartz countertop. They got the brown cabinets, black fixtures. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. Just a standard toilet. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. I would say this is probably like an 11 by 11. Okay. Cool, so you got a walk-in closet. Okay. This is the second guest room. So this one also has a walk-in closet as well. We got the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Those are going to be in all the guest rooms, the bedrooms, I guess. Okay. Cool. We also got the upgraded stair rails, so you can see. But yeah, let's check out the third floor. See, this is cool. You can see down the first floor. This is what you see here. Okay. So here we have like your nice loft. Got your balcony. So this is 8-foot ceilings on this top floor, okay? On this is locked, can't get in there, but looks like there's just some storage space. And welcome to the balcony. You got beautiful Inspirada. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like for now, I mean, you do have like strip views, but I mean, they are going to be building right here. So that's probably going to be blocked off. All right, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think about this move-in ready home. And if you have any questions or if you want to know what the incentives are, guys, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be honored again to help you walk you through this process. And just remember, if you're looking for like the best deals, you want to go for homes like this, like move-in ready homes, instead of, you know, building from dirt up. Because when it's a move-in ready home like this, there's more motivation for the builders to sell these homes. So, you know, definitely get with me. And if you're interested in this, and we could put in an offer. But yeah, until then, guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next video.